everyone, it's Borg Brain coming back at you with another educational blockchain video. This one is again on Mirror Finance. So the previous video, I showed you how to set up a Terra Station browser extension wallet account, and I showed you how to use the Ethereum bridge to basically buy mirror tokens, or UST, or insert whatever. Import that from Ethereum using the bridge over onto the Terra side of Mirror, where transactions are cheap as the birdie. So, yeah, as always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an anonymous person on the old internet. So you should treat me as such. You should treat all this video content as such, and you should treat everything online as such. You want the good information, you go to the source, and you do your own research. You stay safe, you have fun, and you try to make informed decisions if you're playing around with real world value, like we're going to be doing here. So just watch your ass. I'm not trying to tell you to do a thing, and I'm not trying to advise you to do a thing. If you want to do a thing and you don't know how, then you can come watch these videos and I can show you how to do it if you got questions. Sometimes people like to see someone doing it and going through the process, and it helps them. I don't know. I do it sometimes. Sometimes I figure it out on my own, But there's a dearth of content, this type of content on YouTube. And there's a whole ton of the charts and the Fibonacci retracement and whatever. And then there's a whole bunch of just 1000x, don't buy, you buy this token. And I just don't want to be any of those guys. I try to do my own research and I try to give you good information, but you want good information, go to the source. And of course, as always, all the video, the links will be in the video description. We're short on links today, but this is also the Crypto Society YouTube channel, so give a like, give a subscribe. Our links will be in the description, and you can find me or Crypto Society in the relevant social media channels that are listed below. So anyway, here we are, and Mirror's at the same price as I did at the last video. Of course, these videos are going to get uploaded a couple days from being recorded, because I've got 7 or 8 videos right now have been finished being recorded. They have been edited. They have been rendered. They have been uploaded to YouTube with the keywords and the description and everything, and they're all scheduled. So, by the time you see this video, you'll already know, but there's, I got a release schedule for the next bit. I'm going to be doing 2 to 3 videos a day, and this time, no, I absolutely refuse to get burnt out. Although, it might happen, things happen. But anyway, yeah, here, CoinGecko, Mirror token. You can go look at the chart and whatever. So I bought Mirror token in this case because I already had some UST for gas and some Luna for gas in the wallet. So I just bought Mirror because I thought it was low, and I was going to do some fun stuff with it. So you come over here to terra.mirror.finance, and you get some interesting metrics. I like these 2 metrics. I like how they lay out the TVL and everything on this platform in a really clear and easy to understand way. But we go to my page, okay? Now here, what do we get? So I've got some Mirror, and I've got some synthetic Tesla, right? And this is worth, 1,200 USD, and this is worth 50 USD, roughly. And it says my portion of the ratio of my account. Well, I've done some other things in this place as well, right? So previously I bought some Tesla, and I got the pocket change in my account, but I paired it with UST, which is, again, it's basically like USDT or USDC or DAI or VI or PAX or whatever. It's a USD state-based USD pegged stable coin. And Tesla's down, the actual stock is down, but this is a synthetic Tesla stock that kind of traces and pegs to the real Tesla stock. and it's collateralized using, basically other M assets, other stocks, or stable coins are used to kind of create these. And I've got really tiny bit of the pool share. It's only like $600, but I'll show you now here in a second. So staking, right? So I've got those. I made those LP tokens, but then I staked them for the APY was much higher when I first started staking it, but here it's 158, which is, I mean, that's nothing to sneeze at. And here I've built up almost 13 MER tokens as a reward. Now I'm not going to claim them yet, but I just want to show you that this is what I'm going to be doing in the next video. And then governance here, I got it automatically restaking, right? So I got my stack of MER token in here, and I'm aware I bought this when Mirror was cheaper than it is now, but 28% APR, auto compounding, and then I can take this and put it in there, and it's not a bad deal. I don't know. I do like the project, right? Now, what we're going to do today, because I got some mirror, is I want to buy some synthetic stocks. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sell. So I'm going to sell some MER token. I'm going to sell 100 MER token, and I'm going to buy. Well, let's get some some skin in the game. I don't want to spend too much of my MER tokens because reasons, and they'll hopefully be pretty clear pretty quick here. But and MER's low, so I'm going to go a little bit lower. Okay, 120, that's plenty. All right, so I'm going to sell. Yes, I understand the risks of, and you should understand the risks as well. And nah, deny. I'm going to have to come back in 2 seconds. It's time for another edit. And I'm back. And now I can do it. Now I can do the thing. All right, we're going to do it again here. I'm just going to do a little boop and a little bit of boop. And wait for the receipt. So each time you do a transaction with this browser extension wallet, every time you do a buy or sell order, you need to have your password and you need to put it in. So what do I think about this? Well, Kepler wallet, you don't need to do this. And MetaMask, you don't need to do this. So that's more convenient. However, this is more secure. And I think maybe the best place in the future is that these wallets would have the option of when you set it up, or if you put in the private keys, you can set it for password protect for actions, or you can leave it off. So people can choose whether or not to be more secure or more convenient for a particular wallet. If you have just a hot swap wallet, then maybe you just want the convenience. And then if you got like a more solid wallet where it's more long-term buy and hold, or you have large amounts of value in there, then you probably want it password protected. So this is something that I would say is, hey, Kepler, that would be a cool feature to add. And I'm not sure how, if there's complicated back-end issues of whether or not it would be possible based on the underlying architecture. MetaMask, I would say the same to you, and I would say the same to all the other myriad of oncoming Web3 based wallets. And of course there's a bunch of Trust Wallet and whatever. There's a bunch of them. I want to start covering more wallets, but currently there's just so many things to cover with the wallets I'm currently using that I don't know. Anyway, point is, I will be getting into more wallets in the not too distant future. So complete, as you see, it was very quick. And now here is something that is maybe the most important thing for you to understand. Okay? I sold MER tokens for UST, sorry. The spread was 2 cents. The commission was $1.78. I'm not sure. Maybe that's what the commission is what goes to the Luna stakers. I'm not sure. And then the transaction fee is zero point 0.1 penny, a tenth of a penny. So I guess the point is man, this protocol is like cheap as all hoo ha. So we've traded that. So let's go back. Now we got UST. We got some UST. What do we want? We want to buy basically say $300 ish worth of some stock. So what do you want to buy? You know, we got a Tesla, we got a Apple, we got Airbnb, Amazon. Well, I'll tell you what. I mean, I went into this before and there was a reason for it, and I'm going to go back into it again because there's a reason for it. Okay, so there's a couple of reasons for it. I'm going to buy Tesla again. I'm going to just double my Tesla stock, and I'm going to tell you why. Tesla was up at $800 and now it's back down to $620. I think Tesla's going to keep going up. You know why? Because I'm too bullish on Elon. He's got too many things going on. I used to also hang out with his baby mama. I don't want to dox myself, but once upon a time. Anyway, true stories will come sometime in the future, perhaps, if I feel like it. But anyway, here. I like Tesla and I like Energy Web Token, and I've been following these things, and I just know that Elon is working with grid singularity, and I know he knows about D3A. He has to, and Tesla's positioning itself to become an energy company, and most people and most investors are like, oh, Tesla, yeah, they don't make enough cars. You know, Ford makes more, compact cars than they make in their whole. Listen, if you think that Tesla is a car company at this point, then all I got to say to you is, okay, boomer. Tesla is an energy company now, and this is, yes, price to earnings ratio. Yeah. But I mean, price to earnings ratio of any of these tech companies, outside of maybe Apple, I don't know, because they got so much money. But Tesla, I'm doing it. I'm going to buy Tesla. Now, and here's the other thing. Tesla, I already have $50 in Tesla, so I can actually get more LP tokens and have to buy less Tesla. So if I got $600 in UST, quick math, what was it, 50, $60? So say 650. So half of that is 325. So I need 325 UST left over. So that would mean I'd need 225, 275, 275, 275. Let's go 270. I'm going to buy $270 worth of Tesla stock. Now this is a synthetic Tesla stock. It's not the real thing. I'm going to go for a little buy there. And I'm going to do a little boop and a little submit and waiting for receipt. And 1 and 2 and 3 and it's complete. Man, this Terra blockchain sure is fast. And cost me $1.50. Well, I thought Mirror was cheaper than this the last time, but then I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Anyway, so we go over to my page here. And here we go. So we got total holdings value. Now we've got 320 in UST, or in synthetic Tesla. It's weird though. It doesn't show. So it doesn't show in my holdings. It only shows Mirror and it shows M assets, but it does not show my my UST in my account. It doesn't show my Luna in my account. But let's go over to TerraStation browser extension wallet again here. So I got my Luna here. Now it's not spending my Luna, which is good. Also, I don't know what I'm doing here. This Luna needs to get staked. There's an anchor drop coming. I don't know what I'm doing with my life here. So I'm probably going to have to send that to one of my other wallets and get it staked pretty quick here. That's going to be a today thing. Maybe that'll be like a little extra thing in in my next mirror video. But, you know, and the next one is I'll be making some liquidity pool tokens and maybe staking and governance. You know what? Let's do it. I'm gonna just say I said I wasn't gonna do it, but I wouldn't mind just putting a little bit extra in this video. Hey, so I've been staking these LP tokens. I'm gonna make more LP tokens for the Tesla UST pool, and I'm gonna stake them. So I'm gonna up these rewards. But I like the rewards I'm getting. So right now, what I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna claim all the rewards, and I'm gonna claim. And you put in your password, you submit. As you see, less convenient, however, more secure. So we're waiting for a receipt here, complete my page. Boom. And, you know, stacking up that mirror just a little bit more. Yeah, that's nice. So anyway, yeah, that's about it for the day. So I've claimed my mirror that I've won, or that I've earned from staking in Tesla with my nice 158% APY or whatever it was. Next video, we'll be making liquidity pool tokens. We'll be staking them in here and looking through all the APRs and stuff. And then the following video on Mirror, I don't know, am I doing 3 or am I doing 4? I want to do at least 3. So maybe I'll just do a whole video on staking. But here's the thing. This is what you want to know. This is why you got to watch. Yeah, so I'll do all that in the next video. The next video will be jam-packed Mirror action. This is what you want to know. This is what you want to know. Do your own research. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and I don't know, live your life. You know, check back later for more Mirror videos. And then, yeah, if you want to know about the browser extension wallet, then go check out the last video on Mirror that I did. If you want to know more about the underlying architecture of the system, but this is built on Terra, I did a few videos on Terra, on Luna staking, and setting up the desktop station wallet, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that's about it. I'm out. Peace.